A medical malpractice is basically a claim involving negligence of a physician or nurse or other healthcare provider that results in injury to the patient. So anytime you've suffered injury due to the negligence of a healthcare provider, you may have a medical malpractice claim. Most people think that medical malpractice claims just deal with doctors, but anytime a healthcare provider does something negligent that causes you injury, you can pursue a claim. So medical malpractice claims can be brought against physicians, doctors, nurses, medical personnel, chiropractors, physiotherapists, basically any healthcare provider that doesn't exercise proper care and causes an injury can be the subject of a medical malpractice claim. Typically, we see medical negligence claims arise from misdiagnosis. In other words, the doctor fails to recognize the signs and symptoms of an illness that causes injury. Or it may be due to failure to recognize and refer, recognizing that the patient is suffering an illness or symptoms that requires referral to a specialist. And then that delay allows the illness to proceed to a point where it cannot be treated and causes injury. There's three typical areas of damages that injured patients can recover for in malpractice claims. Pain and suffering, loss of income, cost of care are the major areas that we see in medical malpractice claims. When we take on a medical malpractice case, we have to assume that the case is going to trial. So we prepare 100% of our cases as if we are going to trial. But statistically, across Canada, only about 20% of cases actually end up going to trial. Medical malpractice cases are so challenging and the medicine is so complex, it's really important that you have continuity on the case. That's why when I take on a medical malpractice client, I handle the case from start to finish so that the lawyer knows I'm looking after their case from beginning to end.